Toronto Pearson International Airport is the gateway to the Great Toronto Area and East Canada. It's a huge airport. How to navigate between terminals, parking garage, and on-site airport hotels at Toronto Pearson with your luggage and perhaps kids. Your solution can be Terminal Link, a free train service by Pearson Airport that connects Terminal 1, Terminal 3, and the Viscount parking area. It runs every 4 to 8 minutes, 24/7, and super fast, just under 4 minutes end to end. Hope you find this video useful. If you do, please click the thumbs up button to support us. Thank you.